Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video I will show you different types of cartoons, basically girl cartoons. And then here I'm drawing eyebrows and a cute eyes. I'm making a face like structure and then I'm making the hairs. I'm making pony here, she has long hairs, now I'm making the dress. That's it. I'm doing the basic things and then the hands, coloring it up. I will proceed with the next one. In this next one, I am drawing the face of the girl, then the hairs and eyebrows and cute little eyes. And then the smile, and I am braiding the hairs this time and a ribbon with it, which really looks cute. And then I am drawing the neck, the dress, the hands and the design on the dress. This looks really good and coloring it up. For the next one, I'm drawing the face, then the ears, then the eyebrows and then the face and a cute smile, and I'm drawing a neck. This is a really good one. This is a mermaid. I'm drawing the dress of the mermaid, then the hands of the mermaid. I've drawn the top, now I'm completing with the hands. Now I'm drawing the bottom, which is really good. Yeah, I'm drawing the long hairs because mermaid with the long hairs really good, looks good. And then I'm drawing the shell, I'm drawing a crown and some detailing with jewelries. In the next one, I'm drawing the basic things like I'm drawing the face first, then the hairs, then the eyebrows, then the eyes, a smile and the neck, the top. I'm drawing some creative designs on the top, a cute blush and then coloring it up. This is so cute, right? For the next one, I have again drawn the face, the shell. This is a cute mermaid again. And then I'm drawing the hands, the really cute top and a different position of mermaid because it's very important to learn this stuff and it looks very pretty. The long hairs and detailings. I'm drawing this a queen mermaid. Wow, this comes out so pretty. For the next one, I'm drawing this cute face with that hairstyle and a big eyes which looks so pretty, actually so cute, and then a cute smile. And then I'm drawing the hairs, yeah, that cute ribbon type hair banding, and then I'm drawing cute kimono. This is a Japanese style of kimono and comes out so cute. I was so obsessed by seeing this drawing. This is so cute one. I'm drawing a pretty hairs, that's all. Then I'm drawing a face, then the eyes, then eyelashes, then smile, good one, and then a bun with that clutch in the hair. And then I'm again drawing this cute kimono with a rabbit in the pocket. This is so cute, right? She's folding her hands and catching a rabbit, and that the ribbon on the back. This is really pretty kimono and I'm coloring it. I'm drawing that spark before her face. This looks so pretty. I'm again drawing a different kind of hairstyle, so you should get to know more. This is very innovative videos, right? And now I'm drawing the spark eyes, the crown, yeah, and then shoulders, neck, and I'm drawing a crown here. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.